Hi again, everybody. It's Scott Jones with Easy Travel Pad, and today I'm going to tour Secrets Playa Mujeres and Dreams Playa Mujeres. These are two adjacent resorts. Secrets is for adults only, Dreams is for families. So the adults staying at Secrets are able to use the feature, dine at the restaurants and such over at Dreams, and the adults at Dreams can use the facilities at Secrets, but kids aren't allowed over at Secrets. So we're going to have a look first at Dreams, see why this makes a great option for your next family vacation, or perhaps maybe a destination wedding that you've been dreaming of. Stick with me, we'll have a look around, see what you think. Okay, so upon arrival at Dreams Playa Mujeres, going to come into the Porto Cashier, however you say that thing, I don't know, it's the driveway, right? You see up above that, yes, that's where we're at. We're at Dreams Playa Mujeres. This is an area north from Cancun. It's a very popular, newly developing area, Playa Mujeres and Costa Mujeres, both terrific because the beach here is some of the best beach you're going to find anywhere in Mexico. So as we enter the lobby, once you've arrived, you'll have your check-in experience depending on whether you are a preferred club guest. Could be in one area. If you are preferred club, very nice lounge for you to enjoy with more premium liquor selections. If you're not preferred club, then there is still a terrific check-in area. Relax, get your room assigned, and as soon as you do, then go enjoy the resort. First thing you're going to see is an amazing view out past the main part of the resort. A lot of times they'll have destination weddings out on the greens there in the middle. Beyond that, a pool. Beyond that, another pool. Beyond that, a terrific beach. And beyond that, the Caribbean. We're going to see it all. So hang in, let's take a quick look and see what's in store. Upon entering your preferred club room here at Dreams Playa Mujeres, the bathroom is going to be immediately to the right. We'll take a closer look at that here in a second. Enter the main part of the room. Nice flat screen TV. Take a look at some of these features here in a moment. This with a king bed, but two beds, of course, are optional. A drape is going to be a partial divider for the junior suite aspect living area. Nice preferred club perk. Bottle of chilled champagne. That's nice. Let's step outside and take a peek at the balcony with jacuzzi, seating, more comfortable seating, and a heck of a view that this evening is all about a destination wedding. And on in the distance, you can see Isla Mujeres. Another nice preferred club perk is the Dreams beach tote bag. You've got double sinks with some nice amenities, ability to open or close off the bath from the main part of the room, and then of course a large shower with both rain shower head and a wand feature. In addition to the normal toiletries, shampoo, conditioner, soap, those sorts of things, there's also a nice arrangement here of the things that maybe you forgot to pack. There's a dental kit. There's some SPF. There is a nice big bottle of lotion. Sewing kit, things of that nature. And of course, as with most resorts, there's a hair dryer. You don't need to pack your own hair dryer, guys. As you can see, there's plenty of closet space. There are up above extra blanket, extra pillow, robes, a steamer, the ability to send your shoes off to get them shined, of course, a safe, the ability to send some laundry off to get it laundered, the robes, and an umbrella, because those come in handy around here. Just as you come in the front door, there's a cool feature. It's the secret door. Basically, this is a place where you can discard your room service, tuck it out of the way, and then let them know via the app that you've done so. And then lastly, you have, of course, mini fridge with some water, some beers, some sodas, some juice. We've got some water. We've got an espresso with M&M's. Sorry, dude, I ate the Pringles. And there was some Pringles there. And then I like it because there's some workspace for me. So the beach here at Playa Mujeres is just stunning. You can see the island of Isla Mujeres off in the distance, out past the gorgeous blue waters. As I pan along, you can see how clean the beach is, how big and wide, how white the sand is. Midday, peak season, still plenty of beach chairs. It's just one of the best in the destination. Okay, so if you're a beach lover, you might want to be right out here on the gorgeous sand with a great view of Isla Mujeres. You might want to be out here first thing in the morning, or you might want to come out late in the afternoon. But you get past the big white sand, just behind a little bit of vegetation, there's a treat for Preferred Club guests, and that are the valley beds under these palapas. These are not an extra charge, and they are on first come, first serve. So get out here first thing in the morning, check out the sunrise, enjoy your valley bed. It's located just next to the beach bar. Okay, so I'm here at the beach with Brian from Aqua World, and he's going to explain just a little bit about how the water sports works here at Secrets and Dreams Playa Mujeres.
Okay, my name is Brian. It's the water sport Aqua World. We have kayak, paddleboard, and sailboat.
Excellent. And so for the guests who are staying at either Secrets or Dreams Playa Mujeres, they can come to you for their like the paddleboard and that kind of thing, which is already included in their package. But then if they want like jet ski or to go parasailing and things like that, they can still come to you, but that's extra, right?
Exactly.
So then you'll let them know how much and that kind of thing.
Exactly.
And what hours are you here today? Or every day?
The normal service is 9 to 4 every day.
Every day, 9 to 4.
9 to 4.
Is it beautiful like this every day?
Yes, it's very day.
It's never different than this.
Yes.
Always beautiful. Okay, all right. Thank you, Brian.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you, bro.
Bye-bye.
From the main pool, there's a terrific view of the beach and the ocean. There's also a terrific view of the pool. Kids having fun, splashing in the waves, swim up bar in the distance, everybody having a good time. This isn't the only pool. The hot tub is going to be a perfect place to relax in the evening when it cools off just a little bit. So the Grotto Pool Bar, this is pretty cool. It's a bar, it's a waterfall, It's a swim-up bar on the outside, with the waterfall out there. Very cool. Here at the mermaid pool, there's also another swim-up bar. And this is just a little bit calmer, a little bit quieter than the main pool down by the beach, which is where all the action is. Want to read a book, relax, take a nap, this is going to be your spot. So this mermaid pool, it really does seem to extend throughout the entire central part of the resort. It's pretty big. Like I said, it's a little bit quieter, great for children, relaxing, get them out of the party vibe of the main pool down below. Beautiful infinity feature. Get close to that, you're just looking out over the ocean as well. It's gorgeous. And it just keeps going. There's plenty of chairs. Now, if you're thinking of a destination wedding, last night there was a mariachi band that was set up right here. A big party on the lawn. It looked like a wonderful fiesta that was going on. Celebrating the nuptials of the happy young couple. They do a lot of weddings here at Dreams Playa Mujeres because it's a great choice. Then tucked in just a little bit around the corner, still the main mermaid, or the mermaid pool. It's a little calmer, zero entry area, and perfect for toddlers. Is it possible to come to Mexico without going to a Mexican restaurant? Yeah, I didn't think so either. You're going to want to check out Tres Colores here. Very festive, great cuisine. Among the favorite dining options here at Dreams Playa Mujeres, Les Trois, as you might imagine, French cuisine, nice outdoor dining here, beautiful in the evenings, and then mezes, Mediterranean, a little bit of Lebanese perhaps. Terrific. And as I said, a couple of the favorites. Very good to check out. Now really, who doesn't like Brazilian steakhouse cuisine? Eating a bunch of meat, you know you do. This is the place, Gaucho Grill. It's terrific. Another terrific dining option in the evening is Maris Seafood Restaurant. Great thing about Maris is that it is very close to the beach. So you're going to get some terrific breezes coming through in the evening. Might even be able to hear the waves. Great place. And by the way, Maris is also your place for a la carte breakfast dining if you are Preferred Club, which is fantastic because over there is where the sun comes up. So it's a beautiful way to start the morning. At the splash park, everybody's enjoying themselves. As they're going down the small slides, soaking dad, doing a little swimming. It's all good. But if a bigger slide is your thing, they got one. I don't see anybody checking it out right now. I don't think anybody is using it. And I don't think it's going to be me right now. Looks like a lot of fun though. Saw some people going down earlier and they made a big splash. So all in all, it's a fun kids area. Rest assured, everybody's going to have a good time. It's going to be safe. 9 to 5, there is a lifeguard on duty, making sure that everybody is behaving themselves safely and just having a great time. Being a Preferred Club guest isn't only about having an extra restaurant or a little bit better view or some extra amenities in the room. Actually, here at Dreams Playa Mujeres, it also gets you access to the lazy river. So this area is just for Preferred Club guests. There are some larger rooms in this section, better able to accommodate larger families. So we're going to go up here on top of the bridge, just have a quick look around, see what this area looks like. You can see these room buildings around the edge. Quiet, tranquil. You don't have to be a kid to enjoy the lazy river. Lovely area to relax, listen to some nature, enjoy yourself. But also, it's very close to the kids club. So for the little ones, they have a blast in the kids club. And then we can take a look at the lazy river from a little higher up so that you can get a little bit better perspective of how the rooms are in relationship to the area they surround the lazy river. Make it convenient. Sometimes the resorts will have an event, often a destination wedding, a corporate gig or whatever, but even if you're not part of the event, a lot of times you can enjoy the entertainment. And you know what? There's always entertainment. Sometimes it's a little bit better than other times. I dig these guys on the fiddle. I think they call it a violin. I don't know. I'm not a music expert. But it's nice. Okay, so that's going to do it for our tour of Dreams Playa Mujeres. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you keep in mind, as always, at Easy Travel Pad, we're here to help. We like to think of ourselves as your friends in the travel business, and we look forward to talking to you about your next great vacation. Thanks.